Families, where life begins and love never ends. We all have families, but sometimes families can look very different. Some families have parents with different colored skin. Some families have 2 dads and no mom. Other families can be the opposite and have 2 moms but no dad. Sometimes kids live with their grandparents instead of their parents. Some families might even speak a different language at home. Some families are very small. There may only be one parent. Maybe you live with just your dad, or maybe you live with just your mom. Some families can be really, really big. You might have stepmom or stepdad. You may even have step-siblings. No matter how big, small, unique, or common your family might be, a family is a family.